Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 11T Pro. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, enter Google app, go to More and Settings, Google Assistant, Voice Match, and enable this function. Now go back, enter lock screen, and also make sure that this is enabled. Now you can lock the screen and simply say, "Hey Google, what's the weather like today?"
It's 49 and mostly cloudy. Today, it'll be cloudy, with a high of 50 and a low of 41. And tomorrow, there will be scattered showers.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.